What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys been enjoying all the content, and don't worry, there's plenty more to come. But today we're gonna be looking at the shit box again. So at the Colorado car show on the way back, we're about to pull into the road here, and my amp actually got really hot and overheated. So the biggest problem was that the factory amp, the way they sit, got my Skar amp so hot that it actually put it in protect mode. All the other speakers are still working. Yeah, big problem though. Do not really want to buy another $300 amp. Anyway, it's not a crazy amount of money, but you know, it works just fine. Makes these little Skar VL12s hit friggin' fantastic, and we don't want it to break. So we're gonna be, well, we can slide this out of the way. Oh no, we can't. Let me unhook those real quick. Ow, fuck. Like damn 8-gauge wire. This thing's freaking heavy, man. Alright, so we got everything unhooked, and we got this thing kind of put back together. But that's kind of how I think I'm gonna have it sit. Alright guys, so it's a bunch of days later. We're still working on the shit box. I kind of got everything back in place the way I want it. The only problem we ran into is without rewiring the entire car here, we don't have enough room to get to the other side, and the amp will be backwards. So it's whatever, because the box is eventually going to be standing up over there anyway. So for now, we measured everything. This is exactly how it's going to look. I'll probably add, you know, some lights and maybe tip it up on its end a little bit. Eventually rewire everything and make it look nice, but for now this is the way it's going to be. So we did find 2 little screws, which is all we'll really need to keep this secure. We're going to do the front right here, and to get that done we're just going to poke holes. So alright folks, so we got the holes poked. We can't put a washer up here because you can see it's just not enough space. We do have some back and forth movement. I think we're just going to push it all the way back like that. Same on this side, and we're going to measure it one more time. It's almost 1.5 inches, about the middle of the white. Perfect. So we're gonna have to find a couple of washers to fit these bolts real quick. Let me pull one back out. You'd be amazed what this punch is good for, like to make little holes and stuff. It's gonna end up being really cool. We might have to drill a hole for some wires to come up underneath and through. I think we'll be okay with it, but we'll have to kind of call that one by just how it looks and everything with the wires running over, and see if we want to poke up through. I don't know. I don't really want to poke a lot of holes into this thing. Alright, so already realizing that yeah, it's gonna look like shit if we don't poke holes, because it's just gonna be like running up and over like that. No, I'm not trying to do that. So we are gonna just poke some holes. One right there for the speaker wire, and another one right there for the other speaker wire. Now we can do the remote wire, and the rest we are gonna have to drill with the hole saw. Fantastic. Y'all want to see that shit? Let's fucking go. Can you see me? Mm-hmm. Kind of dark maybe?
No, it's light enough.
Alright, well, we're gonna drill holes. I think I already said that, but so we need that. I don't know if the hole saw bits are gonna be good enough, honestly. Here goes nothing, people. We're about
Why don't you just lift this a little bit?
Oh no, it's never gonna hit this.
Oh, then what are you worried about fucking up?
Because once I drill a hole, I can't just spit on it and fill it back in. Because remember, these things are hard to find.
Well, then don't fuck it up. Simple as that. See, that looks fine.
Ooh, that's fucking, holy fuck, bro.
You want a hole? That's a hole.
It stinks. No, look at that shit. It's thick. Thick. Thanks for your advice. I didn't take it. Oh, it's just, oh, never mind, no, it'll go. Oh, yeah, that's perfect right there.
Would you look at that?
Like it. We just vacuum up around it, and the underneath looks like shit.
That's underneath, no one's gonna give a damn. It's not that bad.
This thing's thick, man.
Yeah, it's off by just a hair, but...
I'm a little bit upset that I honestly drilled into it. That's the old positive. Damn, dude. That's gonna be clean AF. This one I'm gonna have to clip a little bit because it's kind of jacked up. I don't know. This is gonna be a pretty clean install, huh? I think this is gonna work perfect, so we'll get this all taken back apart, all cleaned up, wired completely, and we'll get back to you for the end of the video, I think, and see if we can't get this one wire a little bit more. Just need a little bit. Woo! All done. Almost all done. Dang, man, that looks clean AF. Here. Thank you. I'm just trying not to like drag every fucking tool out here. Well, I'm already out here, you know what I mean? Fuck are the keys at? The keys over there? Maybe?
Hey.
I would prefer not throwing them. Alright, guys. It's back together. I think this looks, honestly, so much better than what I could have done. So all I need to do is maybe get some little aluminum covers to go from here to here and just bolt them onto these little bolts right here. Can't really see it that good. Maybe from this side. Yep. We just get a little aluminum cover, take out these bolts right here. Boom. And you're good to go. But I mean, it looks really, really nice like that. Didn't over drill the holes really, except this one. But yeah, I am extremely happy with that. Let's flip the seat up, see how it looks. Damn seatbelt. What the hell is that?
Try the camera?
No, I got that in my hand. Probably. Something just like flew the fuck out of the car. What's she doing? She eating a bunch of pizza, you said?
It's all over her.
Oh. Final product? Y'all can't see because there ain't enough fucking light. Jesus. Now we have to wash car. It's beer time first. What time is it?
Almost 6.
Almost 6. About to wash fucking cars, man. It makes me mad that it's backwards, for sure. But it looks really good. Alright, well, y'all have already heard the Skar audio system in the car, so I think we're just gonna end the video there. Sorry if we had some troubles today. Oh man, it came out so good. I really dig it. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and we'll see you guys next time.